Beneath the quiet surface of the earth lies a secret most people never see. While we walk over dirt and stone, hidden just beneath our feet are minerals shaped by pressure, fire, and time itself, some of them worth more than gold. Among those, two of nature's greatest treasures, emerald and diamond, remain the most mysterious. Welcome to EGS, where we explore Earth's hidden wonders and reveal the science, beauty, and history buried in stone. Today we'll uncover the types of rocks that hide emeralds and diamonds, how they form, where they can be found, and how to recognize their telltale signs in nature. So stay close, because what looks like an ordinary rock might be guarding a gem worth a fortune. Let's start with where it all begins. Deep beneath the surface, in places where heat, pressure, and chemistry work together to create perfection. Diamonds form far below the crust, around 90 to 150 miles underground. Down there, carbon atoms are crushed under pressures over 700,000 pounds per square inch and temperatures hotter than molten lava. For millions of years, these carbon atoms bond into a crystal lattice stronger than anything else on Earth. A diamond. But here's the twist. Diamonds don't stay buried forever. Volcanic eruptions act as elevators, carrying them upward through special pipes of rock called kimberlite and lamproite. When those eruptions cool, they leave behind diamond-bearing rocks, the key to one of the most sought-after gemstones in history. Now let's talk about emeralds, the green fire of the earth. Emeralds form in a completely different geological setting. They need beryllium, a rare element, to combine with chromium or vanadium, the trace elements that give emerald its deep green color. But for all of that to happen, two opposite forces must meet: hot magma, rich in beryllium, and cold sedimentary rock, rich in chromium. That meeting is so rare that emeralds are one of the scarcest gemstones on the planet. The host rocks for emeralds are often schist, pegmatite, and black shale. When hydrothermal fluids move through these rocks under extreme heat and pressure, they leave behind thin veins where emerald crystals slowly grow. If you want to find emeralds or diamonds in the wild, you must understand how to read the Earth's clues. Start with color and texture. Kimberlite, the diamond-bearing rock, often looks weathered on the surface, brown or yellow due to oxidation. But freshly broken, it's bluish or greenish gray. You'll also notice round mineral inclusions that look like bubbles frozen in rock. Those are signs of the explosive volcanic process that carried diamonds upward. Emerald-hosting rocks, on the other hand, usually appear dark, layered, or flaky. Schist feels rough, with tiny glittering surfaces caused by mica. Pegmatite often has large visible crystals of quartz and feldspar, a hint that slow cooling occurred, which helps gemstones form. If you ever find small green hexagonal crystals embedded in gray or black rock, stop. You might be looking at raw emeralds. But the real trick is location, where the Earth's structure naturally brings these elements together. Diamonds are often found in ancient continental cratons, the oldest and most stable parts of Earth's crust. These regions stretch beneath countries like South Africa, Botswana, Canada, and Russia. In North America, some parts of Arkansas, Colorado, and Canada's Northwest Territories have yielded natural diamonds in kimberlite pipes. Emeralds, meanwhile, thrive in mountainous zones where tectonic collisions occurred. That's why Colombia, Zambia, and Brazil are among the world's top producers. In these regions, the meeting of metamorphic and sedimentary rocks creates perfect emerald conditions. Even rivers near those deposits can carry eroded gems downstream. So if you're hunting in nature, pay attention to gravel beds and river bends below known geological contact zones. They often trap gems washed from their source rocks. Now let's talk about how to recognize rough emeralds and diamonds before they're cut and polished. Raw diamonds rarely look like the sparkling gems you see in jewelry. They can be transparent, yellowish, gray, or even brown, shaped like small octahedrons, two pyramids joined at the base. A good test is hardness. A diamond can scratch any surface, even quartz. Another clue is grease attraction. Diamonds naturally cling to oil and repel water, which is why prospectors sometimes pour gravel over grease plates to separate them. Raw emeralds are easier to spot visually, but harder to identify accurately. They appear as hexagonal crystals, often coated with black or white host rock. Their green color can range from light to deep forest green. A genuine emerald will maintain its hue even under shade. Fake or lower quality stones often fade when lighting changes. Throughout history, both gems have carried powerful symbolism. Diamonds, known as the tears of the gods, were once believed to protect warriors in battle and symbolize unbreakable strength. Emeralds, on the other hand, were sacred to ancient civilizations. Cleopatra famously adorned herself with them, believing they represented eternal youth and wisdom. In Hindu mythology, emeralds were thought to bring good luck and sharpen the intellect. Even today, these stones remain symbols of luxury, purity, and mystery. Two opposite ends of the gem world, one clear as light, the other deep as life itself. Let's bring this down to earth. How can you use this knowledge as a modern gemstone seeker? First, research geological maps of your region. Look for signs of volcanic pipes or ancient metamorphic zones. Even if you're not in a known diamond field, nearby rocks like serpentine, peridotite, or basalt can hint at deeper kimberlite below. For emeralds, check areas with old hydrothermal activity, mica schists, or contact zones between limestone and granite. Second, learn to identify indicator minerals, the silent clues that point toward gemstones. For diamonds, minerals like garnet, ilmenite, magnetite, and chromite often accompany kimberlite. For emeralds, look for tourmaline, beryl, feldspar, and muscovite. They share the same geochemical environment. Finally, never underestimate rivers and erosion. Many of the world's richest diamond and emerald discoveries have been made not in mines, but in riverbeds and alluvial plains, where water patiently reveals what the earth once hid. Keep the stone intact and have it analyzed by a gemologist before attempting to cut or sell it. Even a rough, uncut diamond weighing a single carat can be worth over $2,000, while a high-quality emerald of the same size could fetch even more, depending on clarity and origin. Remember, the world's greatest treasures often begin as the simplest stones in someone's hand. The story of emeralds and diamonds is really the story of earth power. Two gems born under opposite conditions, one in fiery depths, one in watery veins, both rising from the same planet that still hides countless secrets beneath its crust. Each time you pick up a stone, you're holding a page of Earth's diary, written in minerals, pressure, and time. And who knows? The next rock you find could contain something extraordinary, a glimpse into the raw creation of beauty itself. This is EGS, exploring the world's hidden geology. One gem, one mystery, and one story at a time. Stay curious, keep your eyes sharp, and remember, the Earth never truly hides her treasures. She just waits for someone who knows how to look.